Saving money with Kuda, the digital banking platform, can be achieved through several strategies. Start by taking advantage of Kuda's non-fee transactions, which help you avoid unnecessary charges for transfers and withdrawals. Consider, setting savings goals within the app to automate your savings, ensuring that you regularly set aside funds without much effort. Additionally, keep an eye out for promotions and cashback offers on specific transactions or purchases made through Kuda. All right? Monitoring your spending is also essential. So regularly check your spending insights in the app to identify areas where you can cut back. Try to limit ATM withdrawals by planning your cash needs in advance, which can help you obviously minimize fees. Whoa, the sun is strong. And preserve your savings. All right? Now, using Kuda's sun is so strong. Using Kuda's budgeting tools can further assist you in setting limits on discretionary spending, helping you stick to your financial objectives. Finally, don't forget about referral bonuses. Invite friends, and family members to Kuda and earn rewards for each successful sign-up. By incorporating these strategies, you can maximize your savings while enjoying the benefits of digital banking with Kuda.